In this video, we're going to see the gray codes, how to convert binary to gray code and how to convert gray code to binary. So let's first see how to convert the binary to gray code. So this is a complex example, but let's start with the proving of this, because in the table, in the left we have the table that says this is the decimal, this is the binary, this is the gray. So how comes we find 111 over this? So we have to know that whenever the values are the same, it is what? 0. But if a difference, it is 1. We have to take note of this. If they are the same, is 0. If there are difference, it is what? It is 1. So therefore, take note of this. So let's check for this 1111. I have from what? Binary to what? Binary to gray. I have 111. So this is the what? This is the MSB, the most significant bit. So therefore, I have to keep it down. The next, I have to mix this and this. Are they the same or not? This is what I mean. 1 and 1, are they the same? Yes, are the same. If they are the same, which is what? 0. And therefore, these values. 1 and 1, are they the same or not? They are the same. If they are the same, it is 0. So as you can see, this 111 turn back to this. So let's take another example. We have 110. So we have to take the MSB, which is 1. So we have to say this and this, are they the same, and this and this, are they the same? 1 and 1 are what? 1 and 1 are the same. These are the same. These are what? Different. So therefore the same, which is 0, and yes, the same, which is 0, and different, which is what? 1. So let's check and see. 110, yes, we have 110, so it's been proved. So therefore, let's see, let's check on 01, 010. We have the most significant bit, which is 0, and this are different. When it is different, it is 1, and this are also different. If it is different, it is 1. So therefore, 011. So therefore, this is how to convert binary to what? Binary to gray code. So let's see some examples there. So this example says that converting from binary to what? Gray of this 101011. So we have the most significant bit, which is 1. So I have to took here, I have to took here, I have to took here, I have to took, I have to took. So therefore, 1 and 0. Are they the same or different? 1 and 0 are different. When it is different, it is 1. So I have to add 1 here. Because this one is what? Is the MSB. MSB means if you are going to convert it, the first number you have to keep it down. Take note of that. So the next one is that I have 0 and 1. Are they different or the same? They are different. If it is different, we have 1. So therefore, what of 1 to 0? Are they different or the same? They are different. So it will be 1. Again, this and this give us 1, this and this give us 1, this and this give us 1. So what of this and this? They are different also, they give us 1. So what of this side, it is the same. When it's the same, it will give us what? 0. So let's check for this last 0, okay, 10, 01, 101. From what? From binary to gray code. So let's keep the MSB and let's see whether these are the same or different. Also this, also this, also this, also this. We keep down the MSB. These and these are different. So when it is different, it will be 1, different 1, different 1, different 1, the same 0, different 1, different 1. I hope you get it. I keep the MSB. This is the MSB. And therefore, this and this are different. I have 1. 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 This and this are the same. I have 0. This and this are different. I have 1. This and this are different. I have 1. So therefore, this is how you can convert binary to what? Binary to gray code. So let me see whether we can see the gray code to what? Gray code to binary. So what if I'm going to convert from gray code to binary? So let me say gray code to what? Gray code to binary. As usual, you are going to use this, but this is a gray code. We are going to convert to binary. So let's take this 1, 1, and 0. If you are going to convert gray code to binary, kindly concentrate and see. You have to put the MSB. So you have to check. This is the MSB, the most significant bit. So you have to check the second digit with this. Are they the same or not? They are the same. If it is the same, so put 0, 1. Second step, check whether this and this, are they the same? Are they the same or not? Check it and see. They are the same. If it is the same, it will be 0. So as you can see, from 110 gray, 110 gray to this, yes, it's returned back to this. So this is gray code. And let's take another one. We have 111. So we are going to convert this 111 from gray code. This is a gray code, yeah. This 111, we have to convert it to what? This can take a function of total. It will be what? It can be gray code, it can be binary. But we're assuming this is gray code. So we have to convert it to what? To binary. So I have to write down what? The MSB. This is MSB. The MSB. So after then, I have to take what? I have to take the second digit and see that is this and this the same or not? It is the same. When it is the same, it's 0. So I'll keep my 0. So I have to go to the next. Is this and this the same or not? They are different. If it is different, which is 1. So as you can see, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is the same thing as 101. So this is how to combat gray codes. So let me see whether I have some. Okay, let's take some complex examples. So first I have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So therefore the next thing that I'm going to do is that I have to write down the MSB, which is 1. The MSB, which is 1. So I have to take a look and see that is this and this the same or different? They are different. I'll put 1. Is this and this the same or different? They are the same. I'll put 0. Is this and this the same or different? They are the same. I'll put 0. Is this and this the same or different? They are different. I'll put 1. Is this and this the same or different? They are different. So I'll put what? 1. So this is how you can combat gray code to binary for complex questions. So first I have 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So how can I convert this gray code to what? This gray code to binary. So I have to put down the MSB, which was the most significant bit, 0. So I'll first take to the second. Is it the same as this? If it is the same, it's 0. This and this, are they the same or different? They are different. Different is 1. This and this, are they the same or different? They are what? Different, which is what? 1. This and this are what? The same, which is 0. This and this, are they the same or different? This and this are different, it will become 1. So therefore, this 1 and 1, are they the same or different? They are the same, it will become 0. So now there is one thing that I need to tell you. There is an advantage from what? From gray code over binary numbers. So for instance, let's say you want to design a circuit. Let's say this is what? Decimal of what? 5 to what? 5 to 6. So let's pick the what? The binary, which is 101, and therefore the gray, which is 111, and therefore we have the 6 as 110, and therefore 101. So therefore the changes between this and this, from binary to gray code of 5 and 6, maybe if you're going to design a circuit, the changes, it is only 2 changes, but the rest, this 1 and 1 are the same. So therefore we have only what? We have only 2 changes. So what are from gray code to what? Gray code to binary for what? For 5 and 6. So therefore we have only one what? We have only 1 changes. So this is how is it. Sometimes you might have 2 to 3 changes. Sometimes you might have 1 changes or 2 changes. So it depends on what circuit you're going to design. So this is all I have for you for today. Kindly consider subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks you for watching, and do share to your learning colleagues. Have a nice day.